Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this tutorial how to make your clay into slime, and it's so very easy, and I know everyone has this ingredient, and it's only two ingredients, and that is the clay and the lotion. So this is the example of the clay that I make slime. So it's like a fluffy slime, and it's super soft. It's stretchy. So let's start with the video. So first thing you'll be needing is the clay. So I am using color blue, and as you can see, it's so very hard and not stretchy. It's so hard and it's not stretchy, as you can see that, and it's not sticky very well. So and the next ingredient our next ingredient is lotion. So I'm not going to show you the lotion and what brand, so you can use any brand of lotion, as you can see. So let's start. So first, dip your clay into the lotion, then we're going to knead it. So always do that thing until it becomes like slime like. And this is going to be messy, but don't worry, we're going to be fun. So keep doing that until it becomes slime. So guys, keep doing that. So messy. And keep putting lotion on your clay and keep molding it. So hard. But once you've noticed, it will becoming soft and stretchy. So guys, as you can see, it's getting soft and stretchy. So messy. But don't worry, because later it will be going to clean. Your hands will be clean again. So keep putting lotion and knead it. As you can see, our slime or clay is getting stretchy, but not at all. It's getting slime already. There you go. So guys, we were done to our clay. So if you want your slime into little bit stretchy and not breaks at all, like that, so you can add some white glue, but not too much of the white glue. Then you're going to knead it again. So just be careful because it will going to stick on your table. As you can see that it sticks to the table and your hands. So we're going to be needing some slime activator or borax and put it on your clay. So knead it again. So guys, we're already done and it's super soft and it becomes a little bit stretchy because of the glue and the borax. So yes, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and make sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a like and leave a comment below, and if you don't enjoy this video, give me a dislike. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.